Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're decoding the First Amendment, our Constitution's most famous, yet totally misunderstood, protection. Congress shall make no law. Listen, those exact words are literally the cornerstone of American liberty. It shields 5 fundamental freedoms: religion, speech, press, assembly, and petition. Together, they're your ultimate defense. First up, religion. The government has to stay totally neutral. They can't force a faith or stop yours. Then there's free speech. It's your absolute right to criticize the state without facing jail time. It also protects the press. The government can't censor them, so journalists act as watchdogs on those in power. Want to protest? Freedom of assembly means you can peacefully gather in public spots, like parks and sidewalks. And with the right to petition, you can actually demand answers from elected officials without fearing retaliation. But hold on, does this mean you can say literally anything, anywhere, to anyone with zero consequences? Nope, absolutely not. The hard truth here? The First Amendment solely restricts government action. That's it. So we gotta draw a massive line between public government actors and private businesses to really get this. Private organizations aren't bound by the Constitution. Free speech doesn't mean freedom from private consequences, you know? Fired for a post or banned from social media? Not a violation. Arrested for peaceful protesting? Absolutely. So the main takeaway is this: it's a shield exclusively against government censorship, not private accountability. Which leaves us wondering, if the First Amendment only protects you from the government, who protects you from everyone else?